Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Welcome to English Tutorials, Macvision Aviraj World School. Today I am going to teach you letter writing. So how many kinds of letters are there? There are two kinds of letters. There are two broad classification of letters. And what are those? Formal letter and informal letter. Number one is formal letter, number two is informal letter. Formal letters are those letters that are written for official use. कोई भी official use के लिए जो हम letters लिखते हैं, those are formal letters. And what are informal letters? The letters that we write to our near and dear ones, to our close ones, to the people who are close to us. For example, relatives, friends, family members, parents, etc. So today we are going to discuss the format of writing letter to the editor. So this is a kind of formal letter. This is the first kind of formal letter that we are going to discuss. So let's discuss the format first. First of all, we write sender's address. सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखते हैं? We write the sender's address. Now what is sender's address? The address of the sender, and you should know who is the sender and who is the receiver. Now who is the sender? The one who is sending the letter. जो letter लिख रहा है, that person is the sender, and receiver, the one who receives the letter. जो receive करता है letter को वो होता है receiver, जिसको letter लिखा गया. So first of all, sender's address is written. After sender's address, leave a line and write down the date. Now there are basically two formats of writing date. Date लिखने के दो formats होते हैं. वो कौन कौन से होते हैं? Number one is British format and number two is American format. So what is British format? जो first वाला है वो है British format. For example, if the date is 13 September 2020. So if you write the date 13, then the month September, and then the year 2020. This is British format. And American format, month first, September, then date 13, comma 2020. So in British format, we do not put a comma, but in American format, we put a comma after date. Okay, so we usually follow the British format. ये वाला जो format है British format, we usually follow this format for writing date 13 September 2020. After leaving a line, receiver's address. Now if you're writing a letter to the editor, who is the receiver? The editor. So you write it this way, the editor. In the next line, name of the newspaper, and in the next line, city. न्यूज़पेपर कहाँ प्रिंट होता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल न्यू दिल्ली और मुंबई और एनीवेयर, जहाँ भी न्यूज़पेपर प्रिंट होता है. ओके, दैट पर्टिकुलर न्यूज़पेपर, द एडिटर, नेम ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर एंड देन द सिटी. आफ्टर लीविंग अ लाइन, सब्जेक्ट. एक लाइन छोड़ के हम क्या लिखते हैं? सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट इज द पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग अ लेटर. सो इन सब्जेक्ट वी मेंशन द पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग अ लेटर. लेटर हम क्यों लिख रहे हैं? So here the topic will be the subject. For example, if you are writing a letter to the editor telling your concern regarding the increase in pollution, so you will write increase in pollution as the subject. Then again leave a line and write down the salutation. Now what is salutation? Here sir is salutation. Sir or ma'am or dear sir, dear ma'am, these are called salutations. Salutation के बाद हम लिखते हैं content. So how can you start with it? May I use the column of your esteemed newspaper to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards maybe the topic, any topic that you are writing upon. जिस टॉपिक पे आप लिख रहे हो यू हैव टू मेंशन दैट. सो इसका क्या मीनिंग है? दैट मे आई यूज द कॉलम ऑफ योर एस्टीम्ड न्यूज़पेपर. आपके न्यूज़पेपर का कॉलम कैन आई यूज टू राइट समथिंग, एंड व्हाट डू आई वांट टू राइट इज द टॉपिक. May I use the column of your esteemed newspaper to convey my concern and thoughts regarding dash, whatever is the topic. So, you want to use the column of this newspaper to convey your concern and thoughts. अपने thoughts and concern आप convey करना चाहते हो through the newspaper. So, this is what you are writing. Write down the content. Leave a line thanking you. After leaving a line, yours sincerely, no apostrophe to be put here. कुछ कोई apostrophe नहीं लगेगा यहाँ पे, your के बाद भी नहीं लगेगा, s के बाद भी नहीं लगेगा. Okay? Then after a line name और उससे ऊपर वाली line में signature. This was the format of writing a letter to the editor. Now let's take an example. You are Amit or Amrita, 51 Mansarovar Park, Dehradun. You came across the following lines in a magazine. You are upset over the felling of trees. So you read the following lines. जो नीचे lines given है, you read those lines in the magazine. Now, what are those lines? It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a single jab of the knife will do it. Hack and chop. But this alone won't do it. Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal. So what is this? These are some lines that you have read in a magazine and you are very upset. Why? Because of the felling of trees. Write a letter to the editor, the Herald, in about 100 to 150 words on the need to create awareness among people about the consequences of the ruthless practice of cutting trees. So you have to write a letter to the editor of the newspaper, the Herald. And what do you have to write in this letter? You want to create an awareness among people. लोगों में awareness create करनी है about the consequences, about the effects, about the bad effects of cutting trees. So first of all you write the sender's address. Sender का address लिख दिया है 51 मानसरोवर पार्क देहरादून. After leaving a line, date in British format 20 April 2020. After leaving a line, the editor, the Herald, XYZ city. As the city is not mentioned, hence we have written XYZ. If the city is mentioned, we will write that city. If it is not mentioned, we never specify our details or the details that are not mentioned in the questions. Then we write the subject after leaving a line. And what is the subject? Ruthless cutting of trees. After leaving a line, salutation, sir. In the next line, may I use the column of your esteemed newspaper to convey my concern and thoughts regarding ruthless cutting of trees. So what is the topic that you want to write about? Ruthless cutting of trees. So you want to use the column of this newspaper to convey your thoughts and concern. So this is the meaning of first line. Then, man in his greed is destroying the precious resources of nature. So man अपने लिए क्या करता है? Resources, precious resources जो है nature के, उनको destroy कर रहा है. Man's practice of cutting down trees is creating a lot of environmental problems. And this is creating a lot of environmental problems. We cannot ignore the importance of trees in our life. It gives us oxygen to breathe and food to eat. By cutting down trees for other human activities, we are disturbing the balance of nature. Therefore, we must take steps to repair the damage that has already been caused, and we should take a pledge not to cut trees. So here you are mentioning the bad effects of cutting down trees, and you are also mentioning what you should do in order to prevent this. I hope this letter will find suitable space in your newspaper. So you are saying that I hope this letter will find a proper place, a suitable place in your newspaper. After leaving a line thanking you, after leaving another line, yours sincerely, after leaving a line, Amit, and before that line, above that, the name, you have to put your signature. So that's all. Hope you have liked it. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you so much.